Hello everyone and welcome back to JYLeeCooking, and today we'll be making a very popular dish here in Malaysia. I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple chicken curry dish. Now, as the usual, before we start the video, do click on that subscribe button and the bell notification icon for more JYLeeCooking videos. And as you can see, the ingredients are laid out right in front of you. We will be using half a chicken here, 1 red onion, and we'll be having 4 potatoes, 2 sticks of lemongrass, and some cinnamon, cardamom and star anise. Some coconut milk here, and today we'll be using Tian's chicken curry paste. This is one of my favorites. And of course some Tbsp Meat Curry powder. Now to get everything started, we'll be peeling the potatoes and cutting them into 4 quarters. And once that's all cut up, we'll be soaking them in water to prevent oxidizing. And as for the red onion, we'll be peeling it and giving it a very fine chop. Now we are going to be pounding the lemongrass here so that it releases more flavor into our curry. And I'm just gonna cut it into smaller manageable pieces. Now we're just gonna be putting the stock pot on the induction. Oh wait, wrong angle, just change it. Okay, I think that's much better. We'll be putting some cooking oil into the stock pot. Once that's nice and hot, we'll be putting in our lemongrass and red onions. Now we're just gonna give it a very gentle sweat here until it's all fragrant and semi-translucent before we add in the spices. Once everything is all fragrant up, we'll be putting in the Tian's chicken curry paste. For half a chicken, you will need about 100 grams of this curry paste. Now do remember guys, this video is for a simple chicken curry for beginners, so there's no chili blending involved. Now once that's all fragrant up, we will be adding in our chicken here. And we'll just saute it until it's about semi-cooked. You will see the skin turning a bit more whitish. And in goes 1 tablespoon of meat curry powder. And once your whole house smells like curry, it's time for you to add in the potatoes. And I'll just be adding enough water just to cover the chicken. Just give it a gentle stir so to make sure everything is submerged. And once you see the thing is boiling, cover the lid and it's going to take you about 20 minutes. Now that 20 minutes has passed, let's check it out. Okay, wow, it's all steaming my camera. And we'll just be taking one of the potatoes out, and we'll be using a fork here to test whether it's cooked. Yep, it's cooked. Now make sure this is now on low heat. I'll be using about 100 ml of santan here, but I won't be pouring everything in at one shot, just bit by bit and giving everything a good stir. You do not want to overheat your curry at this stage because your coconut milk might split. Now once you see a gentle boil, it's time for you to turn off the heat and season with 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Now I can guarantee you seasoning it with light soya sauce will change your whole perception towards it. And now I will be serving it. I have already pre-cooked my so-called fragrant rice here, but I'll leave that recipe for another video. You can serve your chicken curry with, anything, bread, or even noodles, or even normal white steamed rice. And there you guys have it. This is a simple chicken curry for beginners, and I hope you enjoy the video as much as I enjoy making it. Now I will be posting new videos every Friday at 6:30 PM. For you that is not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again next week.